Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change paper size only second page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to change paper size only second page. Click the first page. Then go to the layout menu, then click breaks drop down menu and choose continuous. Then go to the second page and click breaks drop down menu, then choose continuous. Then again go to the third page and click continuous. Then go to the second page and click size drop down menu and choose letter. And we can see here we change the page size letter only second page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.